Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the ghost touch problem on your Redmi Note 15 5G. So first, what you guys want to do is remove the screen protector or case, and let me explain why. Whenever your case is covering even a tiny part of the screen, here we have the bezels as you guys can see. If it's covering those bezels and it's covering in a tiny part of the screen, then it can already make your phone become unresponsive or just tap on the screen randomly. So you will have ghost touches, and this is very bad. Now for the screen protector, if it's misaligned or it's poorly applied, if it's not covering the entire screen, but it's covering even a tiny edge of the phone here and it's not covering the screen here, then it can also cause the ghost touches to appear. So if that's the case for both of those, then remove it. Now what you guys can do next is clean your screen to remove any debris or moisture, and to do that all you guys need is a microfiber cloth. Just give it a few swipes, so 4 swipes are enough to clean your screen, keep it clean without any moisture, debris, fingerprints. And what you guys can do next as a last resort is update your software to fix any touch glitches. So go over to the settings and now select about phone. Here you will go to HyperOS, and as you guys can see, I have no updates available because I am on the latest version. But if you're on an older version and you have an update available, then make sure to do that, because older softwares have a lot of glitches and the new softwares fix a lot of those glitches. So make sure to update to the latest version. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.